Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have shrimp and broccoli fettuccine Alfredo. That's a long title.
Yeah, I don't care what you want to say if it's long on that. It's going to be right in my belly. So you can tell them what you want.
Before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
I like chocolate milk.
Yeah.
I like chocolate milk.
Uh-huh.
I like chocolate milk.
Yeah.
I like chocolate milk.
Uh-huh.
We're back. I know you miss it, but I love... Almost said like. I love it. You like it. All right.
Okay guys, so I'm glad that you liked my outfit of the day. We are going to dig in, and while we're digging in, I'm going to tell you how I prepared this quick and easy 10-minute shrimp and broccoli fettuccine Alfredo. 10 minutes.
Microwave thing in the front, first lady?
No,
Oh,
I'm gonna use
it's
microwave.
not from the microwave. Okay.
Shoot.
All right.
I just use
Family,
a shortcut.
I'm starving. And I tell first lady, she shot in my fettuccine. You shot my fettuccine.
This is good.
All right. Family, I don't know if I could be able to share it to you. I'll probably just give you a one bite. What's up, Greedy family? What's good with y'all? Back in the building. Grace in the building, you know. Grace to win the race. But sometimes I gotta switch it place. You know that.
That is good. This is good.
Oh, I'm rhyming good?
Yeah, that too.
Okay, first. This is a homemade garlic bread first, lady?
Nope.
Okay.
Man, I'm not even gonna lie.
No, this is not homemade, but it looks like it's homemade. Here you
But
go.
I can make it.
I know a friend that could make anything with the blueprint. Here, take a bite of it. There you
I've
go.
made it before.
Okay.
It's so soft.
Oh, for nice money. It is soft, right? Yeah, I know. You said the same thing I said.
It's soft.
It is soft. They beat us to it. Wow. Relax, relax.
Ooh.
Relax, y'all. We're gonna give you some. Alright. Do y'all want shrimp or broccoli? Not the both of them. You could pick one. Not the shrimp and the broccoli. Choose one.
Of course, you're gonna pick the shrimp.
Oh, yeah. I have my shrimp lovers. Here you go. Here, open up. Oh. Open. First, they see your hand in the middle. So, there we go. Take piece. Alright. So now, y'all took piece of mine. Now, first I have to give back one of hers now.
No, I don't.
What's up with y'all good people, man? I love shrimp fettuccine. Anything with fettuccine, I love it.
And Richie loves pasta.
I love pasta. So, you want to ship me some pasta, ship it.
For real.
Bake it like shrimp. Thursday.
Richie. Come over here today and see what happens. See how I juke you with
I
a
told
phone.
you shot my pasta today, though. Let me get them some of this too. Don't let the bird y'all. Tell her what y'all try to sue me. You're the first thing today we go.
Listen, I want to eat my food and everything.
like
Yeah,
it.
share.
Right. Don't do that. You gotta share. You gotta give them some.
Yes.
Funny joke is, how was your weekend? It was good? Okay. Perfect.
That was my bread.
Oh, sorry. I didn't see it. I thought it was one for all and all for one. Does that go?
I started working at this relationship.
And when I say I just take a eat, you know?
I know.
Damn. Look at this. Nice. I was waiting for you. I'm hungry.
I'm gonna tell you guys what I did today.
Tell them
So,
what
Alfredo sauce is very easy to make. You don't have to buy it in a can, whatever. It's very easy to make, really and truly it is.
That bread is good.
But sometimes you need a quick meal, even quicker than it takes to make Alfredo sauce, right?
You put them on something? First lady, you put them on a little blueprint? Okay, good.
So, what I did, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this in the store. I just bought this. Okay? You follow the instructions, and it takes 7 minutes to cook. Once you follow the instructions, you get some shrimp or some chicken,
Yes.
or you can just leave a plain vegetable and just add broccoli and asparagus and green peppers. You can make it all vegetable.
Wow.
And you saute your shrimp, you steam your broccoli, and when the pasta is like 6 minutes into cooking, then you add your shrimp and your broccoli, you toss it and make some garlic bread or some cheesy bread, and you got a meal in 10 minutes.
Family,
And that means
Greedy fam. Being honest, how much of y'all use that before? Okay? Gosh,
those things are lifesaver.
Lifesaver, for real. If y'all use that before, comment down. Let us know.
When you're coming home from a long day of work and you're trying to cook for your family, you don't have time to be making a big meal. Okay?
Short and sweet.
Short and sweet. But make it.
Give me that bread.
Give me the bread.
A piece of bread, man.
Tired of you, man. Come on for my bread.
You're not having the bread, I can piece of bread, man.
So, it's my
Yeah,
bread.
man. You make the bread sitting there getting cold. Give me bread, man.
No.
Family, you see that? Aggressive.
Try it
Make the
again.
bread get cold over there. Bread soft. You know, family? Bread soft
Let me
and
have my
nice.
bread. Can't butter with you.
That bread is soft. I ain't gonna lie. This juice is so cold, man. I feel like I was swallowing ice by itself.
I'm trying to change the subject.
First lady, on some real talk, you didn't give me a lot.
Yeah.
2 times as?
Have the bread.
Put on my fettuccine. You know I love fettuccine, girl.
No, I love you. You can have anything you want.
Anything for me.
What?
Anything for me.
Annoying self.
No man, but you didn't give me a lot of fettuccine. And you
I'm gonna try
gonna
it
eat up
later.
all that today. Give me some, a little bit, please. Drop a little bit.
Honey, you didn't even make a dent in your food yet. Eat your
No,
food
drop
first.
some of the sauce.
Oh, sorry.
No, I'm talking about your food. You see that? Alright,
You wanna
good.
taste it first? Because maybe it doesn't go good with it. I don't know.
Go with it.
I like to try it on anything because to me it tastes good with everything, but we'll see.
That's like putting on a noodle. Same thing.
Yeah.
This is delicious. I love this. Ooh. Short and sweet. The first day they told you so. Wow, look at this thing.
And the broccoli in it just really does something to it. Like I said, you can add asparagus too.
Whatever you want, right?
Yeah, whatever. It's really good.
What y'all been up to, good people?
Ooh.
Let us know. Busy weekend. You know? Right?
Yeah.
Me and first day had fun.
What did you do?
We got a surprise for y'all.
Listen. Next week, I have to take the hubby. And we're gonna sit down. May I tell them the business? We're not here.
Good job.
We're gonna sit down and Richie and I are gonna watch some old classic. Cause enough movies Richie and I watching now.
Family, if it's not about sports, I don't watch it.
I know, I figured that.
If it's not about sports, I don't tune into it. Me? I already told you. Well, I guess some of them are new. For new family members, I'm not a movie person, but I will sit down and watch a movie though. But I like the sports movie them.
Movies with gunshots.
Yeah.
Basketball.
My favorite movie is Love and Basketball.
But I gotta get him the classics. He gotta watch the classics. He's never watched Coming to America. He's
I watch
never
movie
watched.
food. Movie to my food night.
He's never watched Do the Right Thing.
I never know what those.
He's never watched. Have you watched Friday? I'm asking
Of
you.
course I watch Friday Radio.
Okay.
You think I'm
Have you watched Menace to Society?
Of course I watch
You
many.
watch Boys in the Hood?
Tom, how much time I watch Boys in the Hood? You think man?
I asked him because you said you
Look what
don't
time I
watch
watch.
certain movies.
Ricky!
Alright, make sure you know it because that's a classic.
I watched all those. I just didn't watch Coming to America.
Okay. I know there's more that you haven't watched. Because when I be saying certain things, you know what the hell I'm talking
I don't watch
about.
them cartoon movie there. Movie the cartoon and they don't do Marvel.
So we have a date.
We don't
okay.
got I don't like the Marvel movies.
No, we have a date. The hubby and I we're gonna every week. Me and him gonna sit down. We're gonna watch some classic movies. We're gonna make some nachos and some popcorn.
Family.
And we're gonna chill.
We watch movie all the time. We have movie night.
Yeah.
But the ones watch some old
classics.
Old fufu movie night. Sports or food. I'm with it. Damn, first you gave me a lot of shrimp, man. I like that. And I gave
the shrimps are big. These are 16-20.
These are you know the size them. What y'all eating on, man?
I do.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this thing. That package the first day to show y'all.
Simple.
Okay, I try it. And let us know. I love these shit, they're big. This is nice and cheesy.
That's the same package I used when I made 15 minutes or less paella. Remember? But it was a rice one. A Spanish rice, and I put the mussels and the shrimps.
I don't know what you're making. All I know that I consume it.
Whatever.
Yes, it's good. I keep saying that. It's
And
good.
you see how wet it is?
Yeah, see that?
It's not
Plaka plaka.
plaka plaka. In the words of alkaline, plaka plaka. It's not it's not
Our inside joke.
it's not dry.
It's not dry. Sometimes you gotta have your inside joke. I know some of y'all have your inside joke, you know?
But if you guys know Alkaline, he's a Jamaican artist. If you guys know Alkaline and you know his songs, them you would know what we're talking about. But it's not dried up. It's nice and still wet.
And yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Look at that. It's not stuck together.
Yeah. You're not gonna eat broccoli. You're gonna put them to side to side. You're not gonna eat broccoli. I thought when you put it over here, you want me to take one.
No.
I didn't know that. Sorry.
Yeah, right.
Family, see that? She put it part way. Do you get them in your food?
No, I do not get any of my food.
You better be on my side. See, she didn't give you none of your food. I gave you all my fucking.
No.
I gave you garlic bread, and I gave you a shrimp, and I gave you some of the pasta.
How can I give them any of my food when you keep on eating it?
I didn't eat nothing, and I gave them a lot of mine. Every time I give them, I gotta take from your end. So either I give them.
Hey. No, you can't talk, you know.
Hey, last time God give me a mouth to talk. God want me to talk, He wouldn't give me a mouth. Family, when they like when I run my beak, man.
Yep.
Family, you like when I talk?
Shut a lot.
That's right. Cause they talking right back. I said, no, they said, damn, Richie talk too much for real. I know y'all be saying that, Richie talk a lot. It's all good, no? Okay, come in, just sit and just be quiet.
That's true.
So,
You can't do it.
we talk to y'all, y'all talk right back, and we appreciate that. Can't sit down and come be quiet, you know what I mean? Gotta talk. Come in and sit down and just eat like that. And don't say nothing. That feel weird, right?
Impossible.
So if you like when we talk, let us know. Cause I know we love to talk. And yeah, some of y'all are very nosy. Our nosy, greedy fam.
I love
It's all
that though.
good. I love that.
I love that you guys are nosy. Cause like I said,
Yep.
at least I don't feel bad for being nosy. Honestly.
It's true. We like that. Yeah, I mean, they want to know what, you know what I mean?
Yeah. You wanna know what's going?
You want to know what's going on in the business, isn't it? Oh! Alright, we catch on. Family. Alright. Word of wisdom, Pastor Rich in the building, aka you know what time it is. The Greedy Fam. Take the risk that others don't so you can have a story that others won't. Get back to my food now, guys. Look, I first take on my shirt.
Exactly.
So,
Ooh.
take that risk. Alright? When you take that risk, you always have a story to tell after that. Right, First Lady?
That's true.
All right. So if you don't take it, you don't have nothing to say.
Oh.
We take a lot of risk.
I had a little bit of 2 times spicy on one of this pasta, and
Yep.
it got me right here.
You take a lot.
I'm full.
Good. Sometimes you
I
have,
ate all my food.
sometimes you have to take those risks to succeed, right? You ate all the food good. You did good. Alright. Hey, jump on. The last one for your hair. For your good peoples. There you go. Pause. Alright. We appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all. And if you're new, why you tell me something was on my nose? Tim for Pinocchio, huh? If you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple.
I don't like that movie.
Oh, Pinocchio?
Pinocchio.
Welcome to the Greedy Couple. So y'all reach us far. Subscribe, join the family where we just talk about whatever. As you can see, our old family member could tell y'all. Alright, so we do. There y'all, First Lady?
The Greedy Family. Yeah, I don't like that movie.
Pinocchio? Why?
The little boy was too bad, and I just want to go in a movie and beat it.
Just like Dennis the Menace.
Yeah, I don't like. He really makes me angry, so I don't. I really don't.
Dennis the Menace was bad enough?
And I don't like Dumbo. I don't like that movie.
Dumbo?
Dumbo. I don't like that one either. I can't deal with.
You like Pocahontas?
I like Pocahontas, but that's not like my favorite. Little Mermaid is my favorite. Beauty and the Beast is my favorite. A Goofy movie is my favorite. Aladdin is my favorite. Maleficent is my favorite. Like, I like those movies, but Pinocchio, you won't see me watching. I get
This is my favorite.
So stop cutting me off. I'm talking, man.
Chat too much, my anything, my chat too much, my. Want me to joke?
Yeah.
That shit crazy. Everybody do that
You
fool
see
shit. That's just stupid. Go ahead.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye, family. Don't take us serious. We have to laugh.
Shut the hell up.